Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If heaven is black on earth, take you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ari and I'm back with another video. I know it's been so long, so welcome really back to my channel. I literally have been on an extreme hiatus, but we're gonna get into Vlogmas and we're gonna do it and we're gonna come back and we're gonna be great. So please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get straight into it. So what am I doing right now? I'm literally oiling my scalp because I just put my hair up, took a shower, I washed some clothes this morning, and now what time is it? It's 11:30. Oh, it's always too bright, never mind. It's 11:30 and I'm getting ready to go buy Christmas decorations because my room is completely different than like 2 or 3 years ago when I first bought my Christmas stuff. So I'm like, all right, this time I want to go with like a white and pink theme, so that means we gotta go shopping. So right now I'm gonna put my makeup on. My scalp is oiled. I also need more oil because it's gone. And then when I'm getting ready to like make my matcha or whatever, I will come back. But right now I'm gonna do a little makeup so I could be cute on camera all day. And also I have to go to Kohl's and go and return my Amazon package because I bought a dress over there and it literally was not right. Okay, anyways, it was just a terrible dress and my mom was like, you need to send that back. I'm like, okay, I'm send it back. So we have to do that, and then after that I either am gonna come home and put my room together, or I'm gonna go see Wakanda Forever because I just love going to the movies. So I haven't seen that yet and I love Marvel, so that's gonna be my day, and I'm gonna stop talking now. Okay guys, my face is done. My hair is literally just up in this claw clip because, oh wow, so embarrassing. But my hair is just up in a claw clip. I'm about to pick out something to wear really quickly. It's raining outside, so it's not gonna be anything special. Okay y'all, I'm finally dressed. I have on this scarf, these, well, I'll just turn the camera around. Okay, I have on these boots. Can it zoom? Okay, there we go. These boots, I got them from TJ Maxx. I have on black leggings, a black jacket, a black scarf, and this cute Aldo bag. And so I'm getting ready to head out. Okay, so that was literally so quick and so fast. Dang, Burlington is far. I thought it was close. It's like a whole 3 stores, like 3 department stores away. Jesus. As y'all can see, I was all the way back there and I'm still not there yet. So yeah, I got this little receipt thingy and now I'm getting ready to walk into Burlington and hopefully they have a section, because Kohl's surprisingly did not have a section for something like that, like Christmas decor. So if not, I'm just gonna walk back to my car and then we'll get maybe on the way to Target. Target should have stuff like that, right? Gosh. Last time, oh, I'm dying. It's a walk. Well, I'm not really out of breath, but I burped, sorry. But last time I did something like this, I got it from the dollar store. So I really don't know where to go. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in a second. These are so cute.
It's gonna say Christmas.
But it's open. Oh, is it open? Do you have to? Oh, you have to string these by yourself. I'm not doing it. Literally, And I don't even see any strings on them. No. Oh, okay. We're breaking stuff here. Not breaking it, but the top flew off. So, and then they have stuff like this, but I gotta see what tree I get first. Wouldn't it make sense to buy the tree first? Yeah, probably. But I don't know if there's gonna be any trees here. Look at this. They have pink stuff. Is this elf? It's an elf. Or no? I don't know. And then they have my room. Oh, so cute. Wait, these are heavy, guys. It's like the butt is filled with something. How much is it? Okay, I'm gonna look around and grab a few things and I'll show you guys what I end up with, just so I don't miss anything, because I'm like trying to show the camera like little tiny stuff. These right here are exactly what I'm looking for, like that pink gold aesthetic, and then I'm going with this aesthetic right here. I'm not gonna get two, I'm definitely gonna get this. Like, this is too cute and it's only $10. And then these are $12.99, but I don't need both of them, I just need one. But this one stands up on its own, so cute. But this one is bigger and it has the little shelf situation. But this one can't stand up on its own properly. Like, it's a little length and I don't like that. It's so cute though. But I might go with the other one. But by the time I finish shopping, I will decide which one I should get. So guys, we have started to secure pink stuff for the Christmas time. So instead of me talking, oh please, there we go. It's not copyrighted. But instead of me like talking so much and being like, oh look at this, look at this, I'm just gonna show you guys the everything. And the scarf is outside. Ugh. Okay, please. So instead of me showing y'all like every single time I like see something cute and every time I go into a new store, I'm just gonna go into the stores and you know, get the things that I like, and then from there I'll decide, I'm gonna show you guys the things that I got, because I still want to decorate and I still want to what's it called, probably go to the movies tonight, but I don't know, I have to decide soon. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go to Target. I mean, not Target, TJ Maxx. Hell, why am I like this? TJ Maxx, and then we're gonna see what's up in there, and from there I'll show you guys what I get when I get. Okay guys, it's not looking too good for a Christmas tree so far. A little sad. Why does the lighting look like that? No, seriously though, but I'm a little sad because that means I might have to order one on Amazon, which means it won't get here for like 2 days, which also means I won't be able to vlog, you know, putting it together for 2 days, but I'll have like the other decorations. And it's like, come on, it's Christmas. Work out for me. So it's probably the second to last place I'm trying is this Walmart right here. I really barely ever go in here, so I don't even know where to go in here. Like, do they sell Christmas trees? But I've been everywhere, so we'll see. I literally found my last 2 items on my list at the same time. So we have this, which is gonna be for my door because I didn't want to do like a sign this year. And then we found the white thing. Literally just by the trunk, I can tell that my vision is going to be beautifully coming. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I completely failed at saying like, oh yeah, I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna show you this because I was so tired, didn't do it. So now I have to show you guys what I actually did get, because why not? So I want to start with this candle. This candle I actually got last year, but I think since I got it for Christmas, I got it for my birthday, which is still cold outside around my birthday, but I didn't get to use it for this year's decorations. But yeah, it's like super cute. Has snowflakes holographic on there, and the top is snowflakes. And then this year, a couple of days ago, I got this Falling Flurries one. Oh, the other one is Champagne Toast. But Champagne Toast, yeah. And then it has this thing, and it smells so good. It smells like I love those like it doesn't smell like a man, but like smell like, if you ever smell like mahogany teak wood, like if you smelled that one before, it smells like that, but like soft. Like it's just it'll light your room up. It's gonna smell so good. So I got the gnome, of course, that I showed you guys. So cute. He is this is the boy one. This is plushy and it has hard feet. And of course I got the deer, which is not what I thought. Why did I do that? It's not what I thought that it would be, but it's so cute. And then the antlers really hurt. They're so hard. I said I wasn't gonna buy any of these because I was like, I don't have a tree yet. So I ended up getting them, obviously, but they're so cute. Oh, that's the perfect way to be. This really cute Santa. I've never seen a pink Santa before. Like literally everything about him is like perfect. Even down to the boots. Like the boots aren't even like a black boot. They just went into detail with this guy and I love it. I've only seen like the white regular Santa and then I seen the black Santa. They both have on red. Never seen a pink Santa, so this is for me. Big thing of balls for what are they? Ornaments. Balls. Come on, be for real. I got this big thing of ornaments, which I'm kind of scared because the tree, I didn't get the size that I wanted to get, which was kind of like a 4-foot tree to go over here in this corner. But I ended up going with this small one because it's the only white tree I could find that wasn't like $1 million. I'm not gonna buy $1 million tree for a bedroom. Come on, be for real. We have this star. I did not know they made pink stars. Like, let me see if that's better. Like literally everything's pink and I cannot believe it because I always thought it was like the festive colors. I never knew pink was a thing. So I'm super excited about that. And then lastly from TJ Maxx, oh not lastly, but lastly for decorations, I got this gnome as well. And this is his little sister. They're related. So I'm gonna put this somewhere. I feel like it might end up on my bed because it's kind of giving more like stuffed animal vibes versus this one's like a plush toy, I guess, or whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. But lastly, I got this really nice planner. It says 2023 Dream Plan Due. And I was like, I need this. Like I literally did not know that it was this. I didn't know the price of it. When I got it, now I know it's $20. But when I got it, I saw it sitting like this and I was typing in my notes like, oh yeah, maybe for Christmas I'll ask for like a calendar or planner, whatever these things are. But I literally did not look inside it. But now when I'm looking at it, I'm like, this thing has stickers, it has tabs, it has budgeting section. It's just so, it was everything I need in a planner. The tree, I cannot believe that Walmart had the tree. Oh, it's upside down. It's okay though. But I got a bow for my door because last year I did a, I don't want to take it out because like I said, the glitter is just too much for me. But last year I did like Merry Christmas and gold. But this year I was like, oh, let's keep the theme and do pink. So I was like, I'll do something else with that. Okay, so that's literally everything. I don't have anything else to show you guys. I know it was a lot, but I just want to thank you guys all for watching to the end of this video. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. And just a disclaimer, I'm gonna have this on in the next video because it's obviously the next day and I literally did not record. So I'm so sorry, but bear with me and I'll see you guys in the next one.